So guys, we're now here at Ecoville Caliraya and it's maulan pero okay lang kasi hindi naman mainit, tumigil naman din yung ulan. So we're gonna enjoy this trip. We're gonna be staying here overnight. This is just more than 2 hours away from Metro Manila and we're having this family time with our loved ones. Chloe, say hi. Hi. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang what's inside the lakeside cottage. So this is the small balcony overlooking the lake. Very relaxing, very peaceful. And parents ko. Actually, it's my mom's birthday and my sister-in-law's birthday and birthday din ng nephew. So for the room, so this is a queen-size bed. We have TV, okay. So good for 2, pwede pang 3, okay. And another queen-size bed, good for 2 person, overlooking the lake. No? We have a window-type aircon. Meron ding electric fan, and this is the bathroom. Okay. So this is a very decent cottage for an overnight stay dito sa Ecoville Caliraya in Lumban, Laguna. And that's Mark. This table and 4 chairs overlooking the lake. So pwede ka dito mag-breakfast and snacks, you know, sa gabi pwede din. And may mga activities sila dito sa Ecoville Caliraya in Laguna. So ito yung mga lake side cottages and so there's a lot of trees surrounding this place. Coconut trees, you know, so very tropical and really good, you know, for an escape of the city's hustle and bustle. So guys, this is the Ecoville Caliraya. So we're gonna enjoy the place, explore the place as well, and I'll show you some of their amenities that your kids, your family members and your friends would also enjoy. So those are my nephews. So there's also a basketball court where they can play. So maraming types of rooms dito. So that's the lakeside cottage. Yung building dun sa kabila, okay, they also have rooms much cheaper. Okay, for this cottage I actually paid 5,000 plus, you know, 5,000 plus overnight. Good for 4 packs. Yung kids, if you have kids, walang bayad kapag like 7 years old and below, no? But if it's 8 years old and up, may bayad na, considered as adult yung kids. Ayan, napaka-relaxing. Narinig natin yung mga chirping birds. And pwede ka rin actually dito mag-fishing, you know. You can bring your fishing rod. You can also rent a fishing rod here dito sa Ecoville Lake Caliraya or Caliraya. Also guys, if you're asking kung pwedeng magdala ng food, actually, nagdala kami ng food, mga lutong bahay. So, I was told when I called this resort, farm resort, that if you bring food, you'll be paying 300 pesos for 3 dishes. So lumalabas 100 per dish. Sandwiches, of course, yung mga snacks, I think cookies or yung mga junk foods, no, hindi siya kasama sa core cage, no. So again, the core cage according to them is 300 for 3 dishes. Pero nung pumasok naman kami, hindi kami tinanong, nilabas naman namin yung mga food namin, nakalagay sa mga of course naka-pack siya, no, and they didn't ask for the core cage or how many food did we bring, no. Also, this overnight stay has a breakfast, so we will see that tomorrow. Hey, this. Guys, we're enjoying our stay here in Ecoville, Caliraya, Lumban, Laguna. So as you can see, sobrang very relaxing yung view. No, meron pang sort of hanging bridge, but it's actually not the hanging bridge, no. Pero yeah, no, this is really a very good farm resort here in Laguna, and we're gonna enjoy this place together with our family. Say hi, sabi mo. Hi. Hi, hi, sabi mo hi. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Natawiran daw.
Wala pa.
Yung ano na yun?
Ito yung building facility nila. Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello. Nandiyan ka.
Hindi ka dito.
Hi, hi. Hi. Say mo. Hello, I'm Luna. Oh. Sige, jump ka na. Lakad ka dito, oh.
Okay, lakad na.
Lakad dito. Yan. Yeah, very good. Yan. Okay. Very good. Oh, dito na tayo. Dito. Ayan.
Yehey!
Hey! Oops!
Sino yung si Ricky?
Stay dyan. Yan nag-stay. Ay, si Ricky. Ay, si Benji. Ito si Benji pa. Ito si Benji. Hey, hey. So guys, meron silang swimming pool. Ayan. May 4 feet daw. No? So, you don't have to worry kasi meron silang pool. Ayan. Gusto niyo mag-swimming? Aking mga pamangkin. Say hi. Kael. Hi. Hi ka, hi ka.
Hi. Coffee
Chloe.
sitting.
Chloe. So guys, this is the view now. It's, what time is it? No, oras na. Yeah, it's 5:40 in the afternoon, so magsi 6 p.m. na. So this is the view here in Ecoville, Caliraya in Lumban, Laguna. So naririnig niyo ba yun? Diba? You can really hear the sound of the nature, yung mga insects, yung mga birds, no? And yung mga animals pa, no? And yung breeze no hangin, maririnig nyo din, no? So very peaceful, very quiet, at talagang very relaxing dito. Zoom ko nga yan. Yung nandun sa part na yun, those are stilt houses, no? Di ko lang alam kung may nag-stay doon, but it's nice also. So malaki tong place na to. Yung sa amin are the lakeside cottages, no? So yung sa side na yon, I think that's an events hall, no? So kung may mga activities, team building, meetings, no? Very big group, no? Or for example, parties, pwede dyan. By the way, this is not sponsored by Ecoville, so we are paying at our own personal expense. And at the same time, we rented basically so sa brother ko, sa sister ko, sa parents ko, and sa amin. So 4 lakeside cottages. Ang binayad namin dito is actually that should have been like 20,000 plus per overnight for 4 lakeside cottages. And then meron silang discount kasi dumiretso kami or directly akong nagbook kay Ecoville Caliraya. Tumawag lang ako sa mobile phone nila. They have a mobile phone number in their website, no? So I called and then direct na ako doon. I paid 50% for the down payment, and then the other 50% dito na sa Ecoville Caliraya. So naging 20,000 plus din siya kasi because I requested for a BIR official receipt, no? So syempre may plus 12% kaya tumaas siya, no? But if you're going to book it via Agoda, mas mura siya, no? Kasi I think wala pa yatang tax yun, no? Hindi rin, yeah, I think walang receipt na kasama. So that's why it's cheaper there, no? But there's other rooms here nandun sa hotel nila. It's much cheaper, you know? I think it can also accommodate like 2, 4, and then for big groups, family, pwede din, no? Pero syempre, hindi siya beside this lake, no? The small lake, no? Pero still, the view from that hotel is this, if I may call it, ang una nyong makikita is the coconut plantation. Okay? So, yun lang. We wanted to go on that spot kanina, pero hindi kasi kausap ko yung father ko. So, siguro baka bukas na lang. No? So, ano pa yung mga pwede nyong gawin dito? So, may swimming pool, may mga team building activities. Kung kayo ay company, pwedeng dalhin nyo yung mga staff nyo dito, mga team members nyo dito. Nag-overnight kayo, may mga team building activities dun sa side na yon. And then also, you can do fishing, you can rent a fishing rod. Kung meron kayong fishing rod, you can bring it also. There's a griller kung gusto nyo mag-ihaw-ihaw, or barbecue. And then also, meron din silang resto dito. Yung resto nila tumatanggap daw ng card or debit card and credit card, And then what else? May mga, I think may mga animal farm sila dito siguro iikutin na lang namin tomorrow. There's also a basketball court where you can do some sports activities as well.
Morning guys. So, and my mother's actually exploring the place now. And okay naman yung sleep namin. Actually hindi na kami nag-aircon because yun nga, malamig, so the weather here is like you're in Baguio, and ito yung weather ko, ayan. So that's my mom. It's actually, we're actually here celebrating her birthday. She's 60 plus already, so senior citizen. And ito yung request niya kasi, gusto niya maraming buno. And since we live in Manila, or actually in Mandaluyong, and very busy yan sa kanyang business. So that's why gusto niya naman maging away sa hustle and bustle ng city life. Kasi ito talaga, puro maririnig mo is mga sasakyan. And of course, yung mga kanyang tenants, So that's my mom, and pakit na siya. We're gonna take our breakfast kasi nga may breakfast inclusion tong hotel na to. Sorry. Tong resort na to ay may breakfast inclusion, And I think that's my father also walking. So pupunta din kayo dito guys. Fortunately, walang mapapanood sa TV nila, although they have a TV. But if you brought HDMI, I think pwede nyo i-connect sa laptop nyo kung may HDMI port, and kung may cable kayo, and then just connect it. And there's no provided internet connection, but the good thing is malakas yung data signal ng Globe here, So that's why we were able to browse, YouTube, Netflix, and of course yung mga social media sites. So hindi ka naman mabubore, really, since hindi naman maraming gagawin dito, you can really take a relaxation, so para at least ma-rejuvenate ka. So, farm life, and napaka-relaxing, and napaka-nice talaga ng place because it's lots of greeneries. You're surrounded by nature here.
Masarap pa.
Nag-swimming sa doon
Nag-swimming sila?
Nakapunta sila na kasi.
Ha? No? You don't want to go? Let's go. You don't want to go?
Hindi doon. Kasi wala na. Pinapakita nila yung sausawan.
So guys, may breakfast na tayo. Sarap na hangin.
Dito?
Oh, ay ba't dinala mo? Dinala mo na lang?
Bawal ba?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi yata. Masarap siya. So this bridge is made from Hawaiian. And yan, nakapang-kubo dito where you can actually stay. Ganda ng ano to, di ba? Paano? Water lily ba to? Lotus. So guys, this is the things you can actually do here in Ecoville or Caleraya Ecoville Recreation Farm. No? So yeah, they have a restaurant, a koi pond, wild pig farm, pavilion for team building area, rabbit and turkey ken, old pool, yeah, pool. So those are the things you can actually do here in this recreation farm. And yan kami naka-park. And that's the hotel. At dito tayo kakain ng breakfast. So dito tayo kakain ng ating breakfast. This is the resto. May billiards din. So this is our breakfast. So I ordered sausage with sunny side egg, and I also have hot chocolate. Okay, Mark, what he actually ordered is, of course, the hot dog and coffee. So guys, you can also do kayak here. And so yung kayak boat nila. So the last time I did kayak was back in 2017 or 2016 when we went to El Nido. And so they have the kayak, and I think this is where you do your fishing. So you can ride fishing around here. Relaxing.
Wala.
Ito yung stilts nila. Meron pala. Meron. Hindi nila inilaw kagabi. Diba? Ang ganda kaya nito. May TikTokers dito. Ano ba yan, ma? Hirap kumita ng ano. So ito yung mga stilt houses nila. natin tong side na to. I think yung mga rooms dito is malalaki. Ito yung view. Nice. Tanong. Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Hindi. Magpo-float yan dyan.